Guys, what's up? And today we are going to be playing this ball right here. See this ball? Today that's what we're going to be doing. So yeah, just going to be doing trying hits and things. Just do it. First one on my belly. First try. First try. See these. Second one I'm going to be doing is my bum or bottom. First try. No. First try did not work. Second try. Oh my! No, second try did not work. I'm looking to have 5 tries, and then if I can't do it, then I can't do it. Third try. Yes, third try I done it. Try on my knees now. Ready? Let's try on my knees. First try. Oh no. Oh no. Or not, it didn't work, did it? Gonna try again on my knees. Oh yes, my second try, I've done it. Yes, that, come on, see that's counts. Okay, counts. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to float on my legs like that. Like I'm just going to jump on my legs. Like, see that bit right there? That's what we call it. I'm just going to be floating in that. So let's try it. Oh, my back is cracked. Oh, it's sore. And then you float by. Oh, yes, my second try. Second try, I done it. I'm just going to be playing a bit. Oh, stay here, ball. You do not leave me. Goodbye. Hello. Okay. That's it, guys. I know it's quite short, but it's because it's only my second video. I'm not in my own house, so it'll take quite a while as well. So if you enjoy, please thumbs up. I'm out of breath, and please make sure to subscribe. Turn on notifications. See every video. When I do more videos and I get more subscribers, I'm going to be doing maybe giveaways. Anyway, goodbye. Tick, 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 tick.